Hey everyone. So now in this video we are going to discuss about what is WhatsApp Cloud API and why we need it. As we all know, we are using normal WhatsApp or WhatsApp business for various kind of conversations, right? So it is free to use. What we need is just a phone number and an internet connection to use it. But let's say if you have a list of 10,000 customers, or let's say if you have a list of 15,000 customers, 20,000 customers, or maybe if your business is you have 1 lakh or 5 lakh customers, right? And you need to interact with them. So how will you do it? So then you cannot use normal WhatsApp for sending bulk messages. So let's say if you will send messages to 10,000 people from your WhatsApp number, normal WhatsApp number, right? Chances are you will get spam. But with the help of Cloud API, when you have a list of 10,000 customers, you can easily send messages to all the 10,000 people in just one go, right? And that too without getting banned. And this is the purpose of this course, to teach you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages using WhatsApp Cloud API, right? So why do we need WhatsApp Cloud API? And these are the various ways in which Cloud API can be used. In this particular course, we are going to stick on how we can send bulk WhatsApp messages to customers. So now let's talk about integration scope. This WhatsApp Cloud API can be integrated with numerous backend systems such as CRM or marketing platforms like WA Notifier and a lot more. If we have to use API, we would need a software or a tool with the help of which we can use the API, right? So there are numerous tools available in the market which we can use and integrate the API. In this particular course, we are going to use a tool called as WA Notifier, which is free till 500 contacts, and we will be using this tool to integrate with Cloud API and send bulk WhatsApp messages. Also, one thing to understand is WhatsApp Cloud API is free, right? The creation is free. But when we use the API, then we have to pay, right? So they charge based on conversations. So in the next videos, we are going to learn how WhatsApp Cloud API works and how they charge money, right? How can we get green tick verification mark on the WhatsApp numbers, right? And all those things will be covered in the upcoming lessons.